so excited to be sitting down with
Yes.
Zoe Chase.
Yes.
It's just such an honor to witness your growth and what you're up to. I'm so excited to talk to you about all the things that you're doing here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So grateful. Thank you.
Did you always know you wanted to continue the Chase legacy through cooking?
Not always. I thought I wanted to be an educator. I babysitted all my 20 million cousins. So I'm like, I think I could, do this. And it wasn't for me. I didn't really like it. So I went to my uncle's restaurant in the airport to get a job. And he was like, oh yeah, you could be a hostess. One day as a hostess, I was like, nope, put me in the kitchen. I can't do this. Started to do prep. I was prepping gumbo, jambalaya, everything we fix here. And I'm like, this is what I need to be doing. I want to continue the legacy.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your great?
Yes, Emily Tonette Chase,
Yes.
my great-great-great-great-grandmother. So she originally started the restaurant as a po' boy shop. And her husband, Edgar Sr., believed in her and trusted her to, start this po' boy shop. And it did so amazing and great. So they bought this side of the restaurant and opened and expanded it more into the restaurant that it is now. And Grandmother Chase came then after she married Edgar Jr. She came with her flair and said, I think we could do more fine dining. And that's really how it got started. And, that's why it's so awesome to see. I have so many strong women in my family to look up to. So I don't have no choice but to be a strong woman. It is, amazing to see the legacy of strong women and how they got things done, and the men beside them that was, you got it, girl. Like that was, it's awesome. And now the female strong women is my Aunt Stella, Tracy Griffin. I look up to them so much because it's hard. Like I look at them and try to soak up as much knowledge I can because, I'm just in the back cooking. That's easy. To run a business every day and, I commend them, and that's why I'm so grateful to be around them and how they handle situations and just how they keep it going every day. It's just like, wow, like it's inspiring.
It's such a fruitful learning environment.
Right, and that's why I'm just so grateful that I could learn, just watch them and see how they do. So one day when I'm ready to open up my business, okay, this how Aunt Stella did it, this how Tracy did it,
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So you finished school.
Yes.
Well, you went to New Orleans.
Yes.
New Orleans Culinary Hospitality Institute, NOCI.
I worked underneath in Compton at Compare Le Pen and Bywater Bistro. Yes. That was awesome. You
worked under Chef Meg at Commander's Palace. Can you talk about your premiere event? I have a photo to show you.
Oh, wow. That's
Can you speak a little bit about that event and what it meant to you and what was it like?
It was awesome. So it was my officiation, my coming out dinner. I had a 5-course menu and recipe tested for like 2 weeks. I'm so blessed that my family thought to, have a special dinner for me.
Yeah, to mark the occasion.
Yeah, and my uncle presented me with this beautiful night bag because I just bought a little night bag on Amazon. And I remember a long time ago, he was like, no, I know somebody, we're gonna get you a night bag. And he never talked about it again. And I was like, it's fine. And then when he brought it, I was like, oh my God, he kept it a surprise. And it literally has Grandmother Chase's face on it, my name on the back, on the tassels, it says faith and family. And he said, when I go off into the world and travel and go work on the chefs, I'll have grandmother with me and my family. And remembering the faith that we are so strong in, and always remember to be grateful, and my family's with me.
Thank you for sharing all that you have with us today. To be in the presence of the 5th generation of the Chase family here in New Orleans, I am blown away and so excited for the future.
We're just so grateful to, get our story out there and to continue the legacy and to many more generations and generations to come of continuing the legacy.
Exactly. Y'all ain't going anywhere.
We're not.